Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to ride city bike step by step. Start by preparing your bike and yourself. Inspect tires, tighten brakes, and confirm lights work. Set saddle height so your leg is nearly straight at the bottom of each pedal stroke. Put on a helmet and bright clothing to increase visibility. Stow a small repair kit and pump in a bag. Practice mounting and dismounting calmly before entering traffic. In this video, I will explain how to ride city bike step by step. Focus on smooth accelerations and gentle braking to keep balance and predictability for drivers. Scan the road ahead and use hand signals clearly when turning or changing lanes. Shift gears early on inclines to maintain cadence without straining. Keep elbows slightly bent and eyes forward to react quickly to pedestrians and parked car doors. In this video, I will explain how to ride city bike step by step. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so try Darn Tough for long rides and a lifetime warranty that matches your miles. They keep feet dry and blister-free on commutes and leisure spins alike, making rides more comfortable and focus easier. If you want that pair, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to ride city bike step by step. Ride predictably and position yourself where you are visible to motorists, avoiding blind spots beside large vehicles. Slow down near intersections and scan for turning cars and pedestrians stepping into the road. When passing parked cars, give at least 1 meter buffer to avoid opening doors. Use bell or voice to warn pedestrians when approaching quickly on shared paths.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.